Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is structured finance. Structured finance is an important instrument used by large institutions and generally public or large private companies to meet their financing needs and things that are more complicated, like CDOs, collateralized debt obligations, mortgage obligations. Let's say you're a corporation and you have multiple properties and plants and you want to put those properties and plants together to finance just that part of your business. You can use this for structured finance to put multiple properties together in one financial instrument. Structured finance is an important part of the economy, the financial engine that happens, but it's also a dangerous process because, as we know, structured finance was an important part of the collapse of Lehman Brothers and all those mortgages that were put together in a really complicated way where people really didn't understand them. This led to the 2008 housing crisis, in my opinion. Structured finance can be used really well, and companies can use it to help build their balance sheet, or it can be used as weapons of mass destruction in the financial world. Today's word is structured finance.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.